Hello guys, I'm audible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mm, Okay. So guys, I think we have completed the half topic yesterday. We are done with our what do you call this? FB50, I guess. FB50 GL account entries I have passed yesterday. I think this is done. This is done. Yeah. So I told you one way yesterday how to post this
Sir,
entries. Yeah.
wait.
Tell me.
What is the topic you are going to cover tomorrow? Today?
Today we are going to cover how to post the entries, GL entries in
Okay.
different document type. Means F-02 and fast data entry. The same
Okay.
document. Okay. The same document we will the same document will cover how to make them, and we learn today how to park and hold a document and how to make the document reversal.
Okay.
Okay, we were going to learn parking, holding, how to make document reversal, and another two type of entries. I showed yesterday only FB50, how to post the entry in FB50. Those are common entries which you post in FB50. Today I'll tell you how to post the same entries by selecting the document type essay. Got it? That comes under the F-02. Fine. So for
Okay.
that, we'll begin with the topic. We'll log in the SAP software. And we'll log into the system. So, so we're gonna go for accounting. Here it comes, financial accounting, general ledger, under that document entry. This is the thing which we had done yesterday, and we posted some three entries, which I made example three entries here. It is already available. One, two, and three entries are there. Okay. To display them, we go for FBL 3N. So we'll go and we'll check that three entries. FB FBL 3N. We'll go here and we'll continue this. All items will select here. Our company code we need to select here. Our company code was TCS 0. So we'll take here as a TCS 0 and we will execute it. So 1, 2, 3 entries are displayed here. Okay. Now let us go with another way that is comes under the F-0 to general posting. Okay, general posting will go and double click on general posting. Here any type of document you can post here generally. That is why it is called as general posting. So what I will do now, I will post in document type SA. SA means it is called as GL account document. You can see here. It is called as GL account document. We'll post this essay. We gotta give the document date, then company code. Then here the text, what entry are posting, that text that we need to give here. I take here same being business comments. I'll pass the same entry. Then after this, 40 is debited here. We need to give directly the posting keys here. In FB50 you don't have a posting keys. Here I need to give the posting key what a debiting. Here we have. So I'll take it as a 40 as a debit entry. So I'll take it here as a, what is debited here? Cash amount is debited. So I take here 1 as a cash. Okay, 40 debited, 1 is debited here, 1 as a cash is debited here. Then enter after this. How much amount it is debited, you can take here as a 20,000. Here same text. Then here comes next item. What is the next entry? 50 is next entry, credited. So what we are crediting, we need to select that one here. Capital. Any type of document type or entry can post in general document. I am posting the essay document. 1 capital is credited. After giving that, enter again, put your amount as a star, text as a plus. That means same amount and same text it takes off. You can just check here. See here. Fine. After this, what you can do, you can click on item overview to check that. What exactly entry is display document. You can display, you can see here. Posting key 40, cash has been debited 20,000, 50 credited 20,000. The balance is 0, 2 items, debit 20, credit 20. You can post the entry now. So we'll post it here. So once I click on post, the same way document 4 was posted 3. See here what happened. After third, fourth is posted. So what I will do, I'll check here. To check that where we go for FBL3N here. FBL3N. All item is selected, TCS company code, TCS0, execute. So fourth item has come here. Got it? Same way, another document I'll post. What is another entry? And let us take furniture to cash I'll take. Okay, so what entry? This entry also I'll post it here. So I'll take it 1308. First of all, you should give document date. Document date can be given today's date and a past date, not a future date. Then I'll take here 40 debited. So what will be my debit account? It will be furniture. So I'll select here the furniture account. Here I'll take furniture purchase. Furniture account debited 10,000. Furniture account 4, enter here 10,000. Same text comes here. Then comes here 50 credited. What is credited here? Cash account. Cash is 1. 1 is cash account. Then after this, enter. Give amount as a star. Text as a plus. Okay. Star plus means same amount as text, you just take directly. Then execute here. Entry is exactly correct. To document. Then you can post here. So 5 is posted. You can refresh this. So 5 has come. So this is the second way where you can post the normal document entries in SAP. Okay, and it is very common way which is used by SAP to post the entry in F-02. Okay, then comes another one way I'll tell you. Okay, another one way is by fast data entry. It is here. Here I showed you fast data entry. This is this. Okay, for that what you need to do, you gotta give the date. You gotta give here the entry name. What is the entry name? Salary received. You can take here. Okay, and just give the name and click on fast data entry here. And you can directly give the posting key amount and account and amount both. That's it. Okay. What will the posting key? 40 is debited here. So what is debited? You can select a cash account. You can select here cash account as a 1. By company code, you can check by company code. TCS0. 1 is cash account. So what is the amount? 5,000. 50 credited. What is credited? Salary received. So salary received account is select here. Salary received account, you can put star here. That's it. Directly you can give here what all entries you have in your, then you can click on execute. The display document overview, you can see here, same entry. Then you can post this entry. You can just check here, document 6 was posted in company code TCS0. Okay, this is the way you can pass this. Another way, that is the 3 type of ways I showed you in a SAP GL account entries. Is it clear for everyone? Anyone has any confusions? Can one ask me? Aman, Gaurav, Nitin, Rupali, how about you? Is it clear, guys? Or you want me to tell another one time? Got it right?
Yes, sir. You can please tell us one more time.
Yeah, just see. F-02, there are 2 ways to do. Okay, so F-02, what we do here, we need to go for here, F-02 here. Okay, for posting the entry. So you can double click on F-02 posting entry here. You've got to give the document date to which date you are posting the entry. Document date can be today's date and a past date, not a future date. So what I will do, I'll take 13/08/2021 today's date. And whatever document type you have, you can post here as per your requirement. Okay, so the entry will get saved in that particular document type. Okay, I told you where to get document type also. So standard is SA we use for GL account document. For GL account document, we use standard as a SA. Yes. Then you gotta give the what entry I'm posting it, that entry you gotta give here. So example, let us take.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
these options are those field status variants, the document number, posting date.
Yeah, field status variant. No, those are we are kept all optional. Field status variant. Ready?
Okay.
If we keep, see, that is what I told you. See, field status variant. Suppose if I keep this reference number mandatory required entry, so I should
Yeah.
compulsory give this required reference number. Got it? For that I'll show
Okay.
you. See here, SPRO, SF reference IMG, financial accounting, global setting, document. This is optional. Control define field status variant. Okay. So when I go to define field status variant, what was my variant code which I created? Field status variant FSV. FSV is TCFS. Got it? So what I will do here, I'll find here TCFS. I select this, I'll double click on groups G001 because all the ledgers GL account are linked with G001. Getting? So double click on this and go to general data. You can see here. See, text is optional and assignment number is optional. Getting? You can go for
Got it.
additional account. You can go for additional assignment. Suppose think that in general data, if I keep text as a required entry now, okay. So compulsory I should give that. Now just check what will happen. I taken required entry. Now see what will happen here. Once again I'll try to post the entry. I'll take back because setting takes time always. You should post once again. Okay, I'll give the date here. Direct level, I'll go to directly this part. Directly cash account I'll do debit. So see here, what has come here? See here, I'll give the amount. Let us take 20,000. I won't give this text now. Directly I'll go for 50 credited, capital is credited. It doesn't take me to next screen. See here, what is saying? Fill in the required, fill all the required entry field. You got it, Aman?
Yes, I got it.
Yeah, because I have made here the field as a required here.
Mandatory.
See here, mandatory. If I keep it optional and save, now it is optional now. Once again do this entry, take back hand. Now see, now it doesn't come the same way. Before how it was coming, it doesn't come the same way. Cash account debit to capital account, see it is gone. It is not mandatory now. Okay, this is the use of field status variant. Okay, so whatever you want you keep as a required, mandatory, optional. It as per your company requirement you can do. Now what I'm doing, I'm passing this entry, first entry again same, cash to capital. So what I done, I had taken first entry as a cash. Once again I show you guys, you can just check here. First of all give the date and here you can put that, if you, this is optional, you can put or it doesn't matter, this is optional. So cash account is debited, one is a cash, enter, how much amount is it is, 20,000. Here I can take here, capital account, you can put the same text here, 50 is credited, capital account 101 is credited, 101 is a capital account number, 101. Then enter again, put amount as a star, text as a plus and click on item overview. Save entry, post it. So document 7 was posted. You can refresh here. 6 and 7. So this is the way how we pass the entry with this and as well as with this fast entry. Fast entry is same, nothing is there in that. You just got to give the date here and click on fast entry. Company code, date and fast entry. Directly can put whatever debiting it and whatever crediting it. Directly can put. Suppose think that 2 debit has come now. So 40, I'll select your furniture account is debited 10,000 and let us take again 40 cash account is debited, again you can take 10,000. So you are taking purchase account here, 50 purchases, you can take 300 of purchases, so you can put star here. So what is happening here, you can put your 2 debit and you can put your 1 credit amount as a star. So now amount will come exactly 10 10 minus 20 0. You can check here. This way also you can post the entry in SAP. You can post this. Document it was posted. Go and check here. It will show the document list also. It is posted. Fine guys, everyone got it? Is everyone clear? Aman, Gaurav, Nitin, Rupali. Understood guys how to post the entry?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Next topic, let us begin with the parking of document. Parking, what does parking means? See, this GL account, what I did now, I have posted them directly. Okay, I have posted them directly, I didn't park them. Parking, why we do is, parking is done when there is no authorization for a user to post the entry directly. Okay, just now what I have done, this 8 transactions what I have done, I directly posted them. Sometime in company what happens, you need to park some entries, parking you need to do, parking here. Okay, so parking will be done, then the entry will be posted after the parking. So what I will do, I'll park one entry and I'll show you. Alright, to park entry what you need to do, you can park from here, you can park from here, wherever you want you can park from. Otherwise there is separate T code for parking called as a FV50, you can park from here also. Okay, you can park from here, here or here. Fine. So let me park one entry from FB50 normal entry, enter GL account document. You can check here, park option is available. Getting? If you want, you can go here also. Park option is available in this also. When you stimulate document, data will show you here. So what I will do, I'll park document from here. So let us park any document. First of all, give the date and give here the document text as a let us pass salary received on document. What is the document entry we have? Salary received, cash to salary we have. So I'll put here cash account 1 is debited. How much amount we have taken? 5,000, and we'll select here. Hey, what is happening? Wait just a second, guys. Something is wrong. I'm directly give this. Later I check that. So credited here, amount as a star. Fine. So what I will do now, I directly won't post the entry. I directly won't post it. You can post from here. So I will do this entry parked here. Why we do parking? Parking is done when there is no authorization for user to post entry directly. So I'll click on park here. This document I'm parking, salary received. So I'll click on park here. So once I click on park, one document number is generated. Document 9 TCS0 was parked here. Okay, now we'll go and display this. For displaying, we'll go here, take back. Here we have parked item. Pick this. Take this parked item and click on execute. See here. Document 9, it is parked. How much amount? 5,000. When it was posted? 13 days today. Now the administrator has checked your data and he found out that he have parked a wrong entry as a 5,000, it is a 10,000. Okay, so what we will do, we need to repost this entry. Getting? So it is parked now, we should post this. For that what we will do, there are 2 ways to post entry. One is you can go with the FV50 here. Okay, go to FV50, just tree on here and you can see here park document. You can go park document here. It is there here, being salary received. You can double click on this and you can post from, you can change the amount and you can post from here. And another way is you can go with the document, park document, FBV0 can go here. Alright, go to FBV0 and you can put your financial year, fiscal year here, and before passing that you can click on document list. Okay, how many documents are parked in your company code, you can check from here. The T code is FBV0. And remove this document number, check all document, how many entries are parked in your company code. So click on document list, give your company code. You can check here multiple company code which all are packed from to you can give here. Alright, and you can give here from document number, from what to what document number is packed. Now what I will do, I'll just give company code only one. It will show me all. Execute. See, there is only one document. Document number is 9. Okay. Document number 9 has been packed here. Someone has changed this. Okay, so you can just click on execute here. It will show the document number 9. So what you can do now, this document number, what you need to do, you need to post the entry. So what you can do here, you can go here, you can find document number, you can double click on this. See, you can post from here. Okay, if you want, you can still change the amount or something you want to change. You can still keep under the packet document. Still you can keep. Otherwise, you can directly post also from here. So what I will do now, I will go to that way and I'll show you that way also for you. Okay, there is a 2 ways in that. Another way is go document entry, go to FB50, edit or pack GL account, go to FB50, go to tree on here, go to pack a document here and double click on this. See, your document has come here. Now suppose think that amount you have mentioned wrong. It is not 5,000, it is at 10,000. Then you can click on post. Alright. So once you click on post now, what will happen here now? The entry will get document 9 was posted. Now check here. Go and check there. See what is the amount? 9 document number 5,000. Refresh now. You should refresh always after posting the entry. See what will happen now? It has come under the post 10,000. Got it, everyone? Is it clear? Understood how to park and post? Aman, Gaurav, Nitin, Rupali. Everyone got it, guys? Hello, am I audible to everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
got it right. So now I will tell you parking. You got it. I showed you 2 ways in this. 2 ways to park and hold document. Parking of document. 2 ways I showed you. How to park and post. Now let us go for next topic. Holding of document. Okay. Holding, why we do? Holding is done on temporary basis. Okay. Holding will never show you in a balance. Holding will never show you here. Holding is done on temporary basis. Okay, I'll show you how to hold document. Go for one entry and let us hold on entry. Okay, so give the date. Holding you can do from here only. In FB50 only you should hold it. Ready? Go to FB50. Give the date. Received. And click on hold here. Ready? So once you click on hold, it will ask you a temporary document number. Just check what will happen. Once you click on hold, it will ask you give temporary document number. Okay, temporary. Holding is done on temporary basis. Parking is done on major level basis. Holding is temporary, so you should give temporary document number. Let us give TCS0 held 1. Okay, TCS held 1, so I give 1. Okay, let us give TCS 1 hold 1. We'll take hold 1. Then click on hold here. What happened here? Document TCS0 hold 1 was held here. Now it doesn't show you here. It doesn't show you here. You can just check here. Holding is done at temporary level. We use that Aman. We use that at temporary document. It doesn't show you anywhere here. It doesn't show you anywhere. Here it doesn't show you. Holding is done only when there is when you don't have the 100% sure that the exact amount is correct. That time we hold them. Okay. Now holding is done. We should post that entry. We should post that entry So click on Treon here. Treon, go to here, held document. Here. Double click on this. You will see document has come. If you want, you can change the amount, you can park it, or you can directly post it. Got it? So holding is done on temporary basis. Okay. So what I will do, I will post this entry. Document 10 was posted. You can check here, list and refresh. So this is the way how we park and hold and post the entry in SAP, guys. Is everyone clear with this? Got it, everyone? I will show you document reversal if you are clear with this. Yes, everyone? Aman, Gaurav, Nitin, Rahul, how about you guys, everyone? Is it clear for you guys? If anyone has confusion, you can still ask me, so I'll show you once again. Holding, I'll show you once again. Holding, you need to give the, first of all, you need to give the date and what entry you are holding it. And hold here. And give the temporary document number like this. You can go here, held document, double click on this, and you can see here, you can stimulate and you can post it. Document 11 was posted. $20,000. Guys, anyone has any confusions? Aman, Gaurav, Nitin, Rupali, clear? Yes, everyone, guys, can speak, can unmute yourself. You can, yeah, clear, right?
Yeah, everything is clear, sir.
Yeah, okay. Then now let me show you another one topic that is very important topic, document reversal. See, I have posted here some document which all are there. Just now I posted some document here. You can check here. I have posted 11 document. Okay. Let us what we do. Let us reverse this document. What is this document? 11 number. What is the document? 40 furniture to cash is there. Furniture account debit to cash account is there. 40 is debited furniture account. 50 is credited cash account. There is something wrong with the font. I'll just check that later. Okay. So here, now what in SAP what happens? In SAP we cannot delete the entry. This entry cannot be deleted. Okay. We should always reverse this entry. 11th entry. We should reverse this. So what I will do for that? We should go for SAP. Take back. Go for here, document and reverse. Go for financial accounting, general ledger document, reverse. Go to FB80 individual reversal. There are two ways to do. If you want to do mass reversal, you can go for F-80. If you want to go for individual reversal, go to FB. I will show you first individual, then I'll show you mass. So go to FB08, double click on FB08, and you should give the company code and fiscal year. And you want to check which document you want to reverse, click on this display and see here. Now specification for reverse posting, it will ask you. Okay, reversal reason. In SAP there are two reversal which is 90% is used. I don't know what is the problem with font. Wait guys, I'll relog in this. Okay, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document entry, document reverse, FB80 reverse. So go to FB80 reverse and give the company code TCS0, fiscal year 2021, and here you can see in SAP there are two standard will be there. Are you still disconnecting? Just a second, wait. There's something wrong with this. Hello, buddy, bolo. Hello. I'm in office, man. कहाँ है साहब जरा वर्क चली ऑनलाइन क्लास चली जरा सारी का ना जरा बाहर जातो साहेब प्रेसिडेंट नहीं जातो जो अभी बाकी जातस अहो का तुम्ही भी आवाज आहे अहो का तुम्ही भी नाही अहो का तर बोलो केव्हा तो का ते वही है अहो कर जो साहब फोन कर 10 मिनट फोन कर जो हां the reversal reason regarding what is it something is wrong. Do one thing, guys. Okay, so what I do, I will show this document reversal tomorrow. There is something wrong with the software. I need to restart the system. Okay, so what you can do is this will keep on pending. So these are things which I taught you. We can just practice this thing off. Okay, parking and holding of document and posting the entry in 2 different ways. We should find everyone. Aman, Gaurav, Nitin, Rupali, we should find that. I will tell you tomorrow that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tomorrow I'll tell you. Tomorrow I'll tell you the document reversal. Fine. Okay. So you can connect at the same timing. Well, I'll fix that issue and I'll tell you what is the issue happened. You need to check that. Okay. So see you guys tomorrow. I'll recording. I'll put it in the website. You can just check it out. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.